Good morning, class. Welcome to your EVS class. Children, in the last class, we learned chapter 6, Water for Life. And we covered the uses of water, from where we get the sources of water and the properties of water. That means how it is taken shape. And the clean water, how it has the color and the taste and smell. Also we saw use water wisely. So today we are going to do the same chapter 6 and going to learn points to remember, words to learn and the exercises. Okay, so please all of you take your EVS book chapter 6 page number 37. Children, did you all take your EVS book? Chapter 6, Water for Life. There we learned the uses of water, where we use water. We use water for cooking, drinking, washing, cleaning, bathing and to put off the fire. Then we also learned from where the water comes from, the sources of water. We learned the water comes from rain, lakes, ponds, springs and rivers, etc. And we collect that water in a tank and we use it with pipes and taps. Okay, we also collect water from the underground, that is called well. Then we collect it in a vessel, air, buckets and drums. We use it. Okay. Next we saw the properties of water. How the water gets shaped. But whereas we take in the water bottle, bucket or mug, it changes its shape and has that shape. And clean water has no any color. It does not have any taste or smell. It will be very clean. Then we saw use water wisely. How to use water. We should not waste water while washing, taking bath or when after using the tap we should not leave it on etc. Okay, we can also reuse that water for our plants etc. We learned in the last class. So today we are going to learn points to remember. What we learned in our previous pages, it is given in short. We'll see what are they. Water. We need water to live. So why we need water? We need water to live. Water is useful to us in many ways. We get water from many resources. Water has many uses. We should drink clean water. We should keep the sources of water clean. We should save and reuse water. Okay, these are some of the points to remember. Then you see here this side, we get water from rain, pond, underground wells, spring, river and lake. Then drinking water, washing, cooking, cleaning, bathing and putting out our fire. We use water for all this. Then there are few words. See the words to learn. Some new words. Source. What do you mean by source? The place where something begins. Second one. Spring. What do you mean by spring? A place where water comes out of the ground. Well. Meaning of well is a deep hole dug in the ground to get water from the below the ground. Underground water. What is the meaning of Underground water, water found under the ground. Okay. Container. What do you mean by container? A thing that you can put other things in. Okay. Where we can put other things in, that is called container. Next we are going to see the exercises. A. Fill in the blanks. First one. See, we need dash to live. Here given air, water and air. What we need? We need both water and air. So what we write here? We need water and air. So we will write it. Water and air. So see what is the spelling? W-A-T-E-R and A-I-R. It is given here. So you can tick. Second one. We need water for dash. Here given bathing or reading. We do not need water for reading. So we need water for bathing. So we'll put tick mark here. Okay. Now all of you turn to page 38. Okay children, did you all take page number 38? 38. See, third filling the blanks. We dig a dash to get underground water. See here given well and pond. So well is the correct answer. So we will tick it. You can write there. Okay. We can tick or you can write it. We dig a well. W-E-L-L. Okay. Fourth one. We should drink dash water. Here given you clean or dirty. What water? It's supposed to be a clean water. You can give tick mark. Okay. And write it here. Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Okay. Next, fifth one. See, we dash keep the sources of water clean. What is given here? Should or should not. So what will come here? Should. The first one. So you can take it and you can write it. We should. S-H-O-U-L-D. We should keep the sources of water. Very good. Now we are going to see B. The exercise B. See here, write T for true or F for false. We will see the first one. First one is animals also need water to live. Not only the human being, you and me, the animals also need water to live. So the first one is true. So you can write T or T-R-U-E, true. Second one, we need water only for cooking and drinking. No, we need water for everything. Cooking, bathing, cleaning, etc. So it is given. We need water only for cooking and drinking. So it is false. We need water for many things. Third one. We only get water from rivers. No. We get water from rain, lake, river, pond, well, etc. So this third one is also false. F-A-L-S-E. The fourth one. Water reaches our homes with the help of pipes and taps. Yes. When you take pipe and tap in the house, we can get water. So it is true. you can write it true. Okay. Fifth one, we should not turn off the taps after using them. No, we should turn off the water tap after using. So it is false. Okay, children, here you see they have given the box, but here will not able to write it the full form. That's why I have written there. But you can put it here. First one as T, second one false, F, then third one false, F, the fourth one T, true, the fifth one is false, F. But since it is in the end of the edge of this page, so I have not put there, I have written here, so you can see and write it. Okay, now for your homework I am going to give you C, exercise C, answer the following question. So you will write down this question and answer. Write any three uses of water. How the water is used for different purposes. You will write down. The second one, name any 5 sources of water. From where are we getting water? Third one, how can we keep our sources? See here children, name any 5 sources of water. So write down from where we are getting water. The third one, how can we keep our sources of clean water? So this one, we get water from river, pond, well, lake, etc. So how can we keep sources clean water? To be clean, so we should not throw any waste and we should not make it contaminated by throwing so many other unwanted things, and we should use for our only needed water. So there are so many ways we can keep clean the sources of water. Write down this in your homework copy. Then in the do and learn, first one, see, observe the different ways in your which water is stored in your house. What you have to do? First, see in your house where you all are keeping the water, like water bottle, bucket and drum, etc. So just you see and write down which are the things you are using to collect the water. Okay, these are your homework. So we saw exercise filling the blanks and write the true or false as a classwork. See and do and learn. The first one is your homework. Okay. So you will do and write it in your homework copy. We'll see you in the next class. Okay children. Wish you all the best. Do well and learn well. Bye.